Hello, Mikmik. Happy first birthday. Parang kailan lang, naging isang taon ka na. And you are celebrating your first birthday together with your parents. Sana lumaki ka na may takot sa Diyos. I wish you in good health and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. And once again, happy birthday. Much love, Ninong Bong.
Hi, Mikmik! Happy birthday! Sana lumaki kang malusog at may takot sa Diyos. And please always listen to your parents when you grow up. Again, happy birthday, Mikmik!
Hello, Mikmik! Happy first birthday! Ang wish ni Ninang for you is lumaki kang God-fearing and responsible. And if you need Ninang's help, just PM me. Okay? Bye-bye! See you in Dubai!
Happy first birthday, Mikmik! Good health and more birthdays to come. Dito lang palagi si Ninang. See you sa Dubai! Miss ka na namin. Happy birthday ulit. Love, Ninang.
Hello, baby Mikmik. This is your Tito Ivan from Sorala. Happy first birthday. I am very happy for you, and I wish you the good luck in your life and for more birthdays to come with more friends and more presents from your family members. And I'm very happy to give you this video in order to show you my love for your life. Thank you.
Mikmik, I'm your Tita Irish from Sorala, South Cotabato. Sana sa susunod mong birthday makapunta na kami, and huwag mong kakalimutan, miss na ni Tita Irish. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, baby Mikmik. I'm your Tito Jorish, your mommy's cousin. Happy first birthday, Mikmik. Sana sa paglaki mo ay maging masunurin kang bata at may takot sa Diyos. At mag-aral ka ng mabuti. Wish to see you soon. Again, happy birthday, Mikmik.
Hi, baby Mikmik. I am your Tito Jovan, your mommy's cousin. Happy first birthday, Mikmik. Sana lumaki ka ng mabuti at masunuring anak. And be a good boy always. Again, happy birthday.
Mikmik, this is your Tita Julia from Sorala, South Cotabato. Happy first birthday. I wish you have a good health, happiness, sana paglaki mo maging masunurin kang bata, magalang, and sana huwag kang pasaway sa amin and daddy mo. And happy birthday.
Hi, Mikmik. I'm your Tito Justin, your mommy's younger brother. Happy first birthday. More birthdays to come. And sana lumaki kang masunurin, mabait, at may takot sa Diyos. Again, happy first birthday.
Good morning! Hi, Mikmik ko! Happy birthday! Sorry kung hindi naka-attend ng birthday mo ang lola. Pero okay lang yan. Palagi ka naman sa mga prayers ni lola. Miss na kita, apo ko. Sana lumaki kang mabait, masunurin sa mga magulang, tsaka may takot sa Diyos. Salamat sa lola mong nag-aalaga sa'yo. Yaan mo, darating din ang araw, makikita ulit tayo. Namiss talaga kita. Sorry kung parang naiiyak si lola, ha? Happy birthday, apo! Happy birthday, Mikmik ko!
Happy birthday!